Here we are, garlic mustard. So I learned something new about this plant. This is a biennial plant. So it starts the first year down like this, low to the ground, rounded leaves, and then the second year it sends up this stalk and terminates in these little tiny, quite sweet actually, flowers. These will be the seed pods, the ones that you see coming out from the sides here. So garlic mustard was used extensively in England as a food and medicine plant. The leaves were laid on wounds to help heal them. And if you've never seen it before or heard of her before, I would suggest you check out a film called Juliet of the Herbs about the life of Juliet de Berkeley-Levy. She died a few years ago, but she was a remarkable woman. She grew up in England, loved animals, wanted to be a vet, studied to be a vet, decided she didn't really like how the practice was looking, and she decided to follow the Roma people all over Europe because she noticed that although they were nomadic people, they had these beautiful, healthy horses and dogs, and she thought, well, they must know what they're doing. So she did that, and she wrote some fantastic books about natural animal care, herbal animal care, and she was just an amazing woman and herbalist anyway, very inspiring person. So garlic mustard leaves could be used similarly to a practice she talks about in that film, using nasturtium and geranium leaves to lay on separating wounds. So if you had something like that, you could take some fresh garlic mustard leaves, lay them on the infected area, and then as they get looking sort of dark, take them off and then reapply and bathe with a tea of the garlic mustard. Obviously, anything I say in any of my shorts or anything, seek professional medical help if you have something serious. So garlic mustard leaves are very delicious. They have a little bit of a garlicky flavor. They're mustard family, Brassicaceae, so also the same family as broccoli and cauliflower and Brussels sprouts. But they have a nice little garlicky, sulfury edge to them. And interestingly, they put out something into the soil. It's allicin, which is the same constituent that's in garlic, and the same constituent that deters other plants from growing close to them can also in the body help to kill pathogens. So I learned that garlic mustard has a peppery root and you can make horseradish from it. So I am going to do a short about that a little bit later on. So let's just pull one up and see what we're working with here. All right, there we go. Okay, we're going to rinse this off and pick a bunch more.